millimeters or 0.325 meters. Now, itong 0.325 meters na to, okay, you have to add this. Ito na yung freshwater allowance mo 0.325. Ito yung initial drops natin, okay, yung given 14.225, okay, sa forward. Tapos yung 14.625, ito naman yung sa aft. Okay, ito yung given natin ito yung nasa given problem natin. Tapos yung freshwater allowance natin, yung sagot na 0.325. Bakit? Sir, bakit po natin may minus yan? Okay, bakit po tayo nag-minus? Or bakit po minsan nagpa-plus? Again, balikan po ninyo yung sinabi ko kanina. Kung ang barko ay lumulutang sa, kung ang saltwater to freshwater, magi-increase po yung draft. Okay? Kung freshwater to saltwater, draft decreases. Okay? Freshwater to saltwater. Okay? So, again, ito lang po, napaka-basic lang. Yan na Kasi